Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to guide you through downloading GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. So here is how to get started. First, you need to download the Epic Games Launcher. Visit the Epic Games website, that is store.epicgames.com. Then after, select download from the top right corner of your screen. Select save to download the installer first. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to download and then launch the installer on your device. Give administrative privileges and follow the on-screen instructions to install the launcher, allowing any necessary changes to your system. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to fully launch on your device. Go ahead and log into your specific account, and in the case if you do not have one, you can create an account as well. Click on Allow Access, give administrative privileges, and here click on the search bar in the top that says Search a Store, and then search for GTA 5. Hit enter on your keyboard. Select GTA 5 from the search results. Then after, click on Buy Now. If you already own it, it will say in the library. Complete the purchase or the acquisition process by entering your payment details, and then select Pay Now and follow the on-screen instructions, and then install the GTA 5 on your device. Go to the library, select Grand Theft Auto 5. If you wish to change the installation location, click on Browse and choose a new directory. Adjust any other settings as desired and click on Install. And once installed, select the Grand Theft Auto 5 to launch the game. If required, enter a verification code and also install the BattleEye anti-cheat. Click on Yes when prompted to allow BattleEye to make the changes and then wait for it to install. If you encounter any error, close the window and relaunch GTA. Now you know how to download and install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.